Yo, what is up guys, it's your boy, Rickowin here, and we are back again with another video. So right now, we will be talking about one of the Marblex services that we have, which is the Marblex Marblership. So this is just a refresher course, no? For those people who are not aware that we have an NFT dito sa ating Marblex ecosystem. And right now, this is the first edition of the Rainbow Collection. Kung makikita nyo dito yung naikot-ikot, this is the Rainbow Collection. This is the Rainbow NFT. But we also have different colorways. No? So, Meet Marblex Special Membership Service. So, pakita lang natin ito yung iba't ibang colors natin sa ating Marblex Membership NFT. So, may makikita nyo dito na we proudly introduce the Membership NFT for Marblex Universe along with its special perks. So, makikita nyo dito yung rainbow natin, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. So, it's the Roy G. Biv rainbow colors natin yan. That's the 7 colors, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the rainbow na pinagsama-sama. Alright? This NFT have a lot of benefits sa mga ating mga users ng Marblex. So, first of all, hindi to Marblex NFT membership project. Experience more of Marblex Universe with Marblership. We have allocated yung at 75% for INO. This is the free minting natin before. Now, the Marblership is around 10,000 each. And makikita dito, we have designated supply din for the team, marketing, ecosystem participants, and contributors. So, recently, kapag meron tayong mga giveaways like sa Zaif or other events that we have, ginagawa nilang prizes yung ating mga Marblership. For those people na gusto makakuha ng Marblership, kasi kapag nanalo ko nito, easy profit ka. It's like instant $100 to $200 yung price ng Marblership ngayon. So, it's not really bad as a price, no? Special features natin is NFT staking, which I'm gonna show you guys here. So, right now, I have NFT stake. Dito meron tayong Marblership R, which is the red color. Meron tayong total rewards of 11 MBX, which is this NFT was stake for like months ago, pero nakalagay lang siya dito for me para magkaroon lang ako ng access for the Marblership launch. Kasi Marblership launch, guys, papakita ko sa inyo. For the Marblership launch, guys, you will be able to access the Marblership launch by logging into this one. So, pakita ko lang din sa inyo kung paano mag-authorize dito sa ating website right now. And all you gotta do is punta ka dito sa Marblership NFT holders natin and connect mo yung wallet mo. And after you connect your wallet, you will have an access to the Marblership launch. And yung Marblership launch natin, guys, is sa Discord siya. Alright? So, papakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano siya gawin. Yan. And after you verify your account as a holder, you will be able to have your access dito sa ating Marblership launch. Kung makikita dito, we have the access for the Marblership launch. Yan, magchat-chat sila dito kung anong ganap dito sa ating Marblership launch. So, we have a recent announcement ng ating multi-chain adoption. Yan, so marami tayong ganap dito sa Marblex. So, magkakaroon tayo ng multi-chain, which is the Marblex Warp, no? So, that's the first feature that we have, which is the NFT staking. You get 100% APR yan, guys. And tumataas yung APR natin based on the token stake. Kung pwede ka magdagdag ng APR, yan, pwede ka magdagdag ng token para mas tumaas yung APR mo. Madagdagan yung base APR mo ng additional percentage pa naglagay ka ng mas mataas na MBX. So right now, hindi kasi ako naglagay ng MBX dito. So naka-base 100% lang yung APR niya. Yan. Kung may dito, stake quantity natin is 1 out of 100. Ay, isa lang yung nilagay ko na NFT, but you can stake like 100 pieces. And the more NFT you stake, mahati yung APOC rewards mo. So, ibig sabihin, mahati yung bilis niyan. Sabihin, mas efficient pa rin kapag isa lang yung nakalagay mo na Marblership or NFT dito. Alright? For the level up, may ganyan dito, pwede nyo ipa-level to, guys. So, when you click your NFT, meron siyang leveling system. After mo ma-full yung XP nito, after mo ma-mine lahat ng rewards na, magle-level to na yan. So, pwede mo siyang i-level up dito. Gagastos ka ng MBX for you to be able to upgrade your NFTs. And after you upgrade your NFT, mas mataas na yung reward niya after mo siya ma-upgrade. Alright? So, kung makikita dito, for example, dito sa ating marketplace natin ng Marblership, pakita ko sa inyo yung market natin. So, you guys would be able to buy a Marblership if you guys are interested. Check natin yung rainbow natin. Tingnan natin from level 2. So, check natin yung level 2s natin. Alright? So, sa level 2 natin, ang mineable rewards mo na is going to be, check natin yung details nito. So, sa ating NFT dito, di ba? Kung nakita niyo yung NFT natin dito, ang mineable reward natin is 28 lang. Pag pinalevel level mo siya magiging 64 na. So ibig sabihin mas na doble yung rewards natin, and so on. Level 3 mas mataas na yan, and so on. So kung bibili kayo ng Marbler ship guys, I recommend na bumili kayong level 1 pa lang kasi fresh yung NFT na yon. Ibig sabihin, yan, kung makikita dito, ang floor natin ng MB ng Marbler ship natin is 175 MBX, which is actually high right now. It is currently $135, which is 7,600 sa atin sa peso, PH peso. So nabenta ko na yung tatlo ko recently. So I still have one para magkaroon ako na access sa ating Marbler ship, no? So for our roadmap and utility, gaya na sabi ko, these are the perks that we have. We have the Marbler ship launch, yung makikita nyo kanina. Game coupons, recently namigay sila ng Ni no Kuni na codes sa ating accounts. Yan. So Marbler ship exclusive events, nagbibigay sila ng airdrop recently ng mga yun nga, ng mga game coupons, ng MBX sa mga sa mga holders ng MBX ng Marbler ship natin. Marbler ship NFT staking opens, yan. Pasok na rin natin yan. Marbler ship NFT level up feature releases, na-release na rin yan since meron tayong leveling system. May private AMA din tayo sa atin ng galing information. Tayo yung unang nakakarinig ng AMA bago sila i-release sa ating public. To be announced din to, whitelist for offline events. So recently wala pa tayong events from Philippines, no? Meron tayong mga offline events, but pag meron tayong access dyan since meron tayong Marbler ship. So MBX Universe NFT whitelist on airdrop. So MBX Universe NFT whitelist. So ibig sabihin, mas prioritize tayo kapag meron tayong Marbler ship NFT and to be continued. So yun lang guys. So right now, do I recommend you guys having a Marbler ship? Yes, kasi 1 year pa lang yung project nila guys, and having a Marbler ship, meron kang advantage from across different games that they have. So if you're a player like for Ni no Kuni, other games like Kofa, namimigay sila ng airdrop guys, lalo na if you enjoy the game coupons, magkakaroon ka ng news dito from our recent AMAs. Ayun yung magaganda doon, makapag-stake ka na NFT, you can get some rewards, no? So matagal kasi yung staking nila, and based pa rin yun sa risk management mo guys. So I will not recommend this if hindi siya maganda, pero make sure that you research first, okay? So ayoko naman na sabihin mo, ay nag-recommend si Riku, baka naman lost ako dito. No, you have to research it first, but it would be fun if you guys will be part of this Marbler ship community natin, kasi itong Marblex natin is just the start of everything, no? So magkakaroon tayo ng multi-chain soon, which is magkakaroon tayo ng connection in BNB, Near Protocol, and other ecosystems that we have right now. Marami na rin tayong partnered na exchange, DEX and CEX natin, no? So yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope that you guys learned something, and yeah, see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.